Hi friends, we have straightforward problem here. There is a geometric progression of 500 terms and sum of terms in the odd places. That means first term, third term, fifth term, seventh term, etc. That sum is P1 and the ones in the even place, that is second term, fourth term, sixth term, etc. That is P2. That is sum. Both are our sums. Now what is the common ratio? Right, it's a pretty straightforward problem. Now, if you see geometric progression in terms, we can write it as AR square, AR cube, etc., etc. Right. Here he's saying first term, third term, fifth term, etc. Then what was those? What are those? AR square, AR power 4, AR power 6, etc. All 250 terms, 250 will be odd, 250 will be even, right? These 250 terms, sum is P1. Similarly, the even number terms, that means AR cube, AR power 5, AR power 7, etc. Again, 250 terms, that will be P2. If you notice, this P2, if you take R outside, right, if you take R common, it becomes R times P1 only, right? R times A plus AR square plus AR power 4 like this, right? One R will be removed, then this will be exactly equal to P1. R times P1 is actually P2, right? So what does that mean? R is P2 by P1. This is such a simple problem. The common ratio is actually P2 by P1, right, guys? We have another related problem here. In this case, the sum of first 10 terms of the geometric progression is S1. And the sum of next 10 terms, that is 11th term to 20th term is S2. Find the common ratio. In the earlier case, it is about terms occupying even and odd. Now it is first 10 terms and next 10 terms. This is also pretty straightforward problem. Sum of first 10 terms. What is it? Sum of terms in a GP is A times R power n minus 1 by R minus 1. We know this formula. Right. So sum of first 10 is A times R power 10 minus 1 by R minus 1. So what is the 11th term? 11th term is AR power 10, right? We start with AR power n minus 1 is nth term, right? So AR power 10, that is the 11th term. Now what is 11 to 20? 11 to 20 is again a GP. In this, the first term is AR power 10, the common ratio is again R. So less sum of 11 to 20. All this sum becomes the first term. AR power 10 into again R power 10 minus 1 by R minus 1. So S11 to 20 by S1 to 10, right? The first 10 terms and 11 to 20. This will be this by this, right? This by this, or this everything is common, right? A R power 10 minus 1 by R minus 1 is common, right? We are getting this R power 10 extra. So R power 10 equal to S11 to 20 by S20. Here we are given 11 to 20 is S2. So 1 to 10 is S1. So R power 10 is S2 by S1. And what is R? S2 by S1 whole power 1 by 10. That is the solution. Right. This is also a simple straightforward problem. Right. Yes.